In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best bandsaw blades in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which bandsaw blades is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Imachinist S9312314 bandsaw. Bimetal type, HSSM 42 grade, 93-1, 2-inch long, 3 for large, 0.035 thick, 10 to 14 TPI. Perfect for reducing soft ferrous metal. Just 10-14 TPI is suitable for reducing thin pipe tube profiles, etc. 10-14 TPI is variable teeth profile. Huge teeth distance is 2.5 mm per teeth, little teeth distance is 1.8 mm per teeth. Fits all bandsaws which make use of 93-1, 2-inch long, 3 for broad bandsaw blade. Bimetal blade is created for metalworking, ideal for metalworking craftsman, blacksmith, mechanic, etc. Precise size with high performance, compatible with the majority of bandsaws with more selections on teeth pitch. Bimetal kind M42 grade, 8% cobalt with 2% tungsten, far more fatigue immune as well as long lasting on metal. Springtime steel backer strengthens blade life, hardened edges to reduce metal directly easily. Blade deals with high performance. We weld blades with high performance welding equipment to see to it welding joint looks perfect. Default teeth direction is rightward. If you desire leftward direction, please twist the blade from inside to outdoors. New with original bundle for this blade with pointers behind blade package to assist customers. Here is the item number 4, Imachinist S9351214 metal cutting. Bimetal kind, 93-1, 2-inch long, 1, 2 broad, 14 TPI. Perfect for soft metal. 14 TPI is fixed teeth profile, teeth range is 1.8 mm per teeth. 14 TPI is suitable for reducing slim pipe tube profiles, etc. Matches all bandsaws which use 93-1, 2-inch long, 1, 2 vast bandsaw blade. Blade setup is the first step. See to it teeth is shown outside the guide, and also blade strip is secured tightly inside the guide. Teeth instructions need to be the same with the direction of wheel turning. Twist the blade from inside to outdoors if teeth instructions is opposite. Running in is required when blade cuts steel for the first time. It is necessary for blade life. Throughout running in, cutting rate should be 1/3 of regular rate, feed should be 1/4 of typical feed. Normally, after the blade reduces the initial number of pieces, like 5 to 10 pieces, readjust cutting speed as well as feed gradually to normal rate according relative specifications, and also your steel. Blade stress will be different for different vast blades. As time goes on, blade tension will be minimized by the bandsaw and blade stretch. Ensure the blade is appropriate stress. Our recommended blade stress is 300 Nm2. The item number 3, Starrett 99186-05-04 bandsaw. Bimetal blade is developed for cutting reduced alloy steel, aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, tool, pass away, and also mold steel. Steel approximately C45 Rockwell hardness, nickel-based alloys, and non-ferrous metal. Good for cuts in solid, architectural, and also tubular forms. Variable tooth pitch reduces noise levels and also resonance. Intense tooth design with positive rake angle for high production reducing procedures. Raker established assists clear chips for reduced clogging. The Starrett Intense Prodi bimetal bandsaw blade has an intense tooth layout, raker collection, and also a positive rake for reducing low alloy steel, lightweight aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, tool pass away, as well as mold and mildew steel, steel up to C45 Rockwell firmness, nickel-based alloys, as well as non-ferrous metal. The blade can make cuts in strong, architectural, and also tubular shapes. The intense tooth has a positive rake angle for high production reducing operations. The teeth are made from triple-tempered M42 high-speed cobalt steel with an alloy steel support strip that withstands exhaustion. It additionally has a variable tooth pitch that lowers sound degrees and also resonance. The blade has a raker set, which rotates between left-leaning, right-leaning, and unset teeth, for boosted chip evacuation that minimizes obstructing. Number 2 in our list, Imachinist S933414 M42 Cutting. Bimetal type, 93-inch long, 3/4 wide, 10/14 TPI teeth profile. Perfect for soft steel. 10/14 TPI appropriates for cutting thin pipe tube profiles, etc. 10/14 TPI varies teeth. Large teeth range is 2.54 mm per teeth, little teeth distance is 1.8 mm per teeth. Fits all bandsaws, which makes use of 93-inch long, 3 for large bandsaw blade. Bimetal blade is made for metalworking, perfect for metalworking craftsman, blacksmith, mechanic, etc. Accurate length with high performance, suitable with a lot of bandsaws with more choices on teeth pitch. Bimetal kind, M42 grade, 8% cobalt with 2% tungsten, much more fatigue immune as well as resilient on metal. Spring steel backer strengthens blade life. Set sides to reduce metal directly easily. Blade collaborates with high performance. We weld blades with high performance welding maker too. Make sure welding joint looks perfect. Default teeth direction is rightward. If you desire leftward instructions, please spin the blade from inside to outside. Brand new with original bundle for this blade with suggestions behind blade package to help consumers. Blade installment is the initial step. Make sure teeth is revealed outside the overview, and also blade strip is secured snugly inside the overview. Teeth instructions must coincide with the direction of wheel turning. Twist the blade from inside to outdoors if teeth direction is opposite. The top one in our list, Imachinist S64514 Bimetal Band. Bimetal kind, HSSM 42 grade, 64-1, 2-inch long, 1/2 vast, 0.025 thick, 14 TPI teeth profile. Perfect for cutting soft ferrous metal. 14 TPI appropriates for cutting slim pipeline tube accounts, etc. 14 TPI is fixed teeth profile. Teeth range is 1.8 mm per teeth. Suits all bandsaws which use 64-1, 2-inch long, 1/2 wide bandsaw blade. Blade installment is the very first step. Make sure teeth is revealed outside the overview, as well as blade strip is clamped snugly inside the guide. Teeth direction need to coincide with the direction of wheel turning. Turn the blade from inside to outside if teeth instructions is contrary. Running in is required when blade cuts metal for the first time. It's important for blade life. Normally, after the blade cuts the very first a number of items, like 5 to 10 items, change cutting rate and also feed gradually to typical rate according family member specifications as well as your metal. Blade tension will certainly be various for different wide blades. As time takes place, blade tension will certainly be minimized by the bandsaw and also blade stretch. See to it the blade is appropriate tension. Our advised blade tension is 300 N or mm2. Coolant will certainly be useful to cool down as well as lubricate blade and teeth throughout cutting. Far better coolant can avoid get too hot on the teeth of the blade. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best bandsaw blades amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.